Hello guys, in today's video we are giving you the walkthrough how we can create website or a store inside of Shopify. It's a very simple drag and drop approach, and I'm going to show you the entire video how we can create or how we can edit our Shopify store. So make sure you are stay with me. So let's get started now. So this is the information which I want to put inside of Shopify. So now I'm going to add a section of testimonials. It's very important to showcase our brand, our product in front of prospect so that they can make the decision of purchase. So I'm going to add some of the testimonials here. So it's very simple. Just drag the multi-column option, and also we have multi-column option, and simply edit. these are very very important, and I'm sure you can easily do it by yourself. It's very simple drag and drop approach. Play with Shopify. Come to understand there are lots of options. With the help of those options, you can create websites as well as a store inside the Shopify. I hope you understand this video. If you have any question, any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment box. I will definitely reply to those answers.